What is up, YouTube? Back again with another video for you guys today. And today's gonna be like a quick update video on the truck and some stuff I got for the channel. So let me flip the camera around and show you guys the truck. The day has finally come. It is done. It's not perfect, but it's done. The truck is dirty, so keep in mind that it's not gonna look as pretty, but regardless, you know, still looks nice, better than what it was. Now originally 360 Garage painted it and it came out awesome, guys. It came out super duper cool, but I did notice some defects on my bodywork. So if you guys remember, I was fixing the dents on the truck on the other side. We had some on this side as well, but these aren't that bad as the ones on the other side. So I took it upon myself to sand it, try to fix them, and then repaint it myself. Now I did use Rust-Oleum clear. It was Rust-Oleum gloss white with clear coat on it. So that was as close as I can get it to match the paint that he used. And honestly, guys, right now you guys can't even tell what I painted. I painted that fender right here, underneath that door right there, the rear where the bed is at right here. I painted all that with the spray can, and honestly you can't even tell. On the other side you can, but on this side it's not that bad. You see, this one actually came out really good. Came out like really glossy and nice. So it did here too. There are little spots of like orange peel, but honestly, guys, this is an old truck, and I do plan on taking. Look right here, you can see it too, like a little orange peel. But like I said, it's an old truck, guys. It's a 1999. I am gonna be taking this truck off-roading, so it's gonna get scratched up and banged up, regardless. Take you guys to the other side. This is the I really messed up here. You can really tell, especially like on, you can still see the dents right here. A little orange peel. But like I said, guys, you know, I'm gonna take this off-roading. It's okay. I'm not really stressing out about it. It's all in the angles, guys. You see, you can't even tell. Nah, just kidding. But you know, regardless, it looks nice. I like it. I'm proud. You know, it's a piece of poop, but it's my piece of poop. Anyways, guys, let me show you guys what I got for the channel. Oh, yeah. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys saw that I posted this. This is the cheapest one I can find. As you guys know, I don't have a lot of money. This is a budget channel. So this is what is this called? A carpet and upholstery deep cleaner. So this removes stains on carpet. You know, I'm assuming seats on cars and stuff. So I got this for about 80 bucks at Walmart, guys. I think it was like 79 something total with taxes and everything. I think it was like not even 90 bucks. But I've seen some good reviews on this, so I'm gonna give this a try with the truck. And my birthday was yesterday, and I had, you know, requested some stuff from my sister. And all right, so for my birthday, my sister got me this paintless dent repair kit. I seen it on a couple of videos. I mean, I wanted to try it out for myself. So this comes with the glue gun, a whole bunch of attachments. It's like just a lot of stuff. I just wanted to give it a try. So I'll make a video on, you know, me using this kit. I got some brushes for when I clean the carpet and stuff. They attach to the drill. This one too. And for my birthday, my fiance got me some tail lights. Now I did get some paint on them, but I didn't care because I have a paint thinner, so I'm just gonna wipe them off and take that off. So she got me some tail lights and some headlights. I haven't put on the headlights yet, but I will be doing that soon. But yeah, guys, honestly, the red looks so good with the white. But yeah, guys, I think that's it for this channel. I mean, for this little update video. Just wanted to show you guys all the stuff. I got a new drill too, because I had one from Harbor Freight, if you guys remember. I ended up breaking that one because I forgot what happened, but the drill just ended up breaking. And yeah, guys, a couple videos coming up soon. Actually, I'm gonna be removing these seats and the back seats. As you guys can see, these things are pretty dirty. I don't know if that's the natural color. I highly doubt it. But we're gonna be cleaning the seats. Underneath the carpet, you can see we got some stains, so that's awesome. other side as well. For back seats, we're gonna be cleaning those as well. The truck is really dirty. You guys can see since I started fixing the body on it and like getting it painted, I didn't take care of it. I left it a mess, you see. So I'm gonna be making a detail video on this car, on the truck, and let me take you guys to the other daily. So on this Honda, I'm gonna be removing the front bumper. We're gonna try to fix this. You guys may not think it's repairable, but you'll be surprised. I've seen some videos, and I think I'm pretty sure I'm able to fix this. I'll make a video on this. So we got one dent there. We're gonna fix the rear here as well. Probably go to the junkyard and get a new tail light, and this we can pop this out. Watch, you guys will see. You guys will see once we start working on this. As for the trunk, I might be able to just like mash it down or something. I don't know. We'll see, guys. But I am gonna try to fix this car since this is my other daily. These clips, luckily none of the clips are broken, so they should still function as normal. You know, just gotta clip everything back on. But yeah, guys. All right, guys. So I think that's it for this update video. Thank you so much for watching. Now, I don't want to give out any excuses, but one reason why I haven't been uploading as much is I have a new job now, and my schedule is from 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday. No, Monday through Friday, but I'm off Wednesdays and Thursdays, and then Saturdays and Sundays I work from 8:30 to 3. I don't remember. Okay, something like that, but it's kind of messed up. But I have Wednesdays and Thursdays off. So okay, so the videos that are coming soon that you guys should stay tuned is we're gonna be doing the detail on the truck. We're gonna try out that steam vacuum or whatever you want to call it. We're gonna try that out on the seats. Full detail on the truck. Once that video is done, we're gonna do a restoration on this Honda, this one right here. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.